Jamaican Trump and Jamaican Kamala Harris debate. Parody.
My plan will help middle class and small businesses. But him want to kill me with Trump sales tax. You're too lame, I never have no Trump tax. Oh, yes, still, sir. Project 2025. You never read Project 2025. I may bring the whole of it through the pandemic, you know. They can never talk about that.
More stuff live down in the past.
Then Chino, your big friend. Opportunity economy we are pre. Finance professionals say that my plan is solid. She copy Biden plan. She will. With a lie. Okay, so let's talk about abortion. She is executing babies. Okay, it's illegal to kill babies. No, what me I say is me just don't want the mothers them about the babies 8 to 10 months pregnancy time. And that's people can't tell woman what to do with them body. Mala, yeah, misunderstand me. Would you veto the ban, Mr. President? No, me not have to do it. But JD ain't say you'd have veto it. Well, me and JD never talk about that still. Roe v. Wade to me thing. People always walk out, leave your boring rally there. You pay people for come at your rally and you eat dog. When you didn't know say she eat dog, barbecue the people them pet to rotty. Talk about extreme. And that's why your people them left you. Him chief of staff say him not ready for this yet. Carry him a carry feelings through me did fire him. I saw them write book and make money off of me all the while. So about immigration, I be a migrant crime I go on. Actually, FBI says migrant crimes are down. Lie them I tell. You are talk about criminal and you are the criminal. You call me criminal, you know. Listen, I grew up middle class. He got 450 million. I never 450. It was a portion to the 450. Top 10 line. I'm talking now. Sounds familiar. I mean, make she change our views on fracking, you know. You're too lying. Mr. President, with regards to the event at the Capitol. Yeah, talk about Capitol. What happened to the crimigrants? Do you have any regrets for that incident? Me never have nothing to do with it. And Nancy, me ended it. It was awful. But I know that. Charlottesville. Debunked. So we're tired of the wrangle and tangle. So you lost the election. They never lose. You didn't lose the election that Biden won.
Me no business with nobody business.
All of these dangerous countries afraid of me. I mean, the original Dan Gargan. Phenomena no one. Chew me protect the border. We're gonna have a
Border clash.
This former president is divisive. Are you divisive? She is Biden. Good girl like me look like Joe Biden to you? Make we compare plans now. Me have plan left, right and center. To all me have plan them call me builder. Her plan is to kill and destroy. No, I have to respond. No, VP Harris, we're gonna have to go forward. Okay, so for your final statement, we're not going back. Opportunity economy we are pre. My clients are the people. I will take us forward and be a president for all. She gonna do this and that and taranara. Why she never already do it? Worst president ever. Thank you. This was XYZ News. Mala, what you do later? Seriously, Donald? What do we do that?